Hey guys, RG here with eXp Realty. Today I'm on Coulson Court inside the pinnacle of Kanata Lakes adult lifestyle community. This community is located in Kanata and is conveniently located close to golf courses, parks, walking trails, all the shopping you need, and also the Canadian Tire Center. Another great feature is the community center. This center is exclusively used by members of the community and has weekly events and games for you to enjoy. Now on to our feature property, 6 Coulson. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, semi-detached bungalow with a 2-car garage and a finished basement. The best part about this home is that it's been fully renovated top to bottom, including a new kitchen, 3 new bathrooms, new flooring, new windows and doors. All you have left to do is to move in. Go on and check it out.